I can feel the wheel already.
Help me, Lord. Help me, Lord.
I can feel it in my feet.
Oh my God. I need that Jesus shirt right now. Oh God, this is already shaky. All right, I have about 15 minutes to prepare.
Yep. You gotta go to the bathroom, now's the time.
The second half is back.
Milo, have we ridden the back row since the retrack?
Never ridden the back row.
And you call yourself coaster
Back
enthusiast.
row, like we ran the second of back.
Yeah,
It was really good. We did
How
the
many-
back row in like 2021 and it was horrible because there's a couple of turns where you
Yeah, imagine going up for like just a complete straight up.
I know, like
lift.
Fahrenheit. You guys gonna do Hershey this year? You can buy the new one.
Probably not. Are you guys?
No, next year maybe. It's just
Yeah.
so busy and it's farther than it sounds.
Yeah, I mean, I actually asked him, would he rather do Hershey again and do Wildcats Revenge, or finally get to Great America?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna do Great America.
Yeah, I think I would do that too.
Okay, I think I'm just holding on because oh God. Okay, so far so good, not bad, not bad. Not dead yet.
That's not bad at all.
Okay, that's not bad. It's not terrible.
not as good as here though.
What?
Is it rougher? Rougher?
It's a little like it's not that bumpy.
Well, now we're getting into the
Oh gosh. I mean, these people are enthusiastic.
We gotta get these
like-
people on camera. Give them our card. What are they saying?
Beast. Not terrible.
Excellent.